Good morning, traders. This is a binary options trading recap. So now I start my day by first selecting full screen and pocket option, and then increasing the size of the stochastic indicator just makes it easier to see all of your entry signals. So now I'm selecting the currency pairs that pay out 80% or more. That way my necessary break-even win rate stays lower. I need to win less trades in order to remain profitable. So now I'm looking for the trade setup. So just clicking through the different tabs. I'm going to fast forward here and we'll see the trade that I did take. I only took one trade this morning. Okay, so here's the trade that I took. It's on the Australian dollar, and I think that's the Swiss franc. So the entry that I wanted to get, I actually missed, but it kind of retested that level, and that's when I got in. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the signal that I'm looking for is that the price is breaking out through the top of the Keltner channel, which it is, that the candlesticks are hitting the the zigzag indicator. It is, and then I am looking for a reversal signal, which I'm seeing, and the stochastic indicator has to break down below this green line. So this green horizontal line has to be broken by this blue line of the stochastic indicator. That's happened. That's already happened. And I would have liked to get in near the top of this candle. So that's the only way I'm going to take this trade, is if the price goes back up there. It does. That's when I enter the trade. So that increases the odds of the trade working out, because I'm betting that the price is going to go down. And I got in a little bit higher. So let's see what happened. So right now I'm losing the trade, but it's only a few seconds into the trade. And the expiration time is 2 minutes. That candle was already forming. So if you notice, when the trade started, my total trade time was below 2 minutes, because I got in after that candle started forming. And now you can see that so here I'm actually looking for other opportunities just in case that trade fails. And here is the trade that I'm in. So this is my entry, and this is where the price is. So it's looking pretty good. And for whatever reason, whenever I'm recording these trades, the timer lags, and sometimes the video ends before the trade ends, even though I record it all the way till the end of the trade and then some. So it's just the way it works. So there you can see that trade ended and the video is still recording. So this one worked out, and we did win that trade. I'll show you in the account live, because it looks like I didn't get the little alert. So let's go to my pocket option account. Right now it's live. You can see the timers are moving and everything. So you know this is live, and you can see my account value has gone up. I'm trading with just $1.10 right now. I was trading with just $1, but effectively my account is over $110 right now. The reason why it says 161.02 is because I used the account is effectively 111.02. And the reason why it shows 161.02 is because I used the Start 50, I believe it is, or 50 Start promo code, where Pocket Option gives you an extra $50 to trade with, but you can't withdraw that money until you've turned over $2,500 worth of trades. Right now I've turned over about 60 something dollars. So I'm very far from that. But you know, when I got into this, I knew that I was probably going to stick with it long term, so I didn't have any problem with that. The other thing is you can cancel that promotion at any time, and your account will drop back down to its real value, and I assume you can withdraw the money at that point. Everything in my account looks like I can withdraw money. I just haven't done it yet because I don't want to. I want to keep growing this account. And at least once I get to 100 trades, then I will attempt to withdraw some money just to test that feature. But let's take a look at the trade that I took today. Today is September 10th. So this is the trade right here. That was the one we were watching in the video. So you can see that I won that trade, and actually did not. So this is one thing I don't like, and I think all binary options brokers do the same thing, is here it looks like, you know, I made $2.07 off that trade, and that's not really true, because I spent $1.10, or I risked $1.10 on the trade. So I made back the difference of that, which should be, I think, 93 cents or 97 cents. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet now, and we'll see, 97 cents. And so this is the accountant's values match and everything. So 161.02 is where we're at. This is where we started when we started trading this plan. back in August 17th. So we're not even 1 month into this. And the plan that I trade is very strict and it's very well defined. If you're interested in that plan, you can download it from patreon.com/tradingarmor. It's in the battle plans tier. All of my trading plans are there. And so far, we have a win rate of just about 64%. The total number of trades we've taken is 37. And this is the P&L. Again, we're just risking $1, now $1.10 per trade. We just started that. And I'll continue to increase the trade amount as I break these $10 levels. So as I said, right now I'm at 111.02. So once the account breaks 120, and then I will increase the trade amount to $1.20 so that we keep on growing the account as the account grows, if that makes sense. We'll increase the growth rate of the account as the account grows. So my average payout is here, basically 85%, which makes my break-even win rate about 54%. So we're about 10% above that. So that's a good thing. And we'll just keep doing the same thing we are. This week has been an ideal week as far as the options, binary options trading, because every single day has been 100% win rate, meaning that I won the first trade, which is always ideal. But one interesting thing to note is even with those 100% win rates or winning the very first trade, it took a long time to get back to where I was just at the end of August here. I was at 160.27. Then the next day I lost all 3 trades. And let's see if I put a note over there. Yeah, so one of the things I did wrong on that day was I doubled down on a trade. I think it was the very first trade that I took. It looked like it was going to fail, so I tried to give myself a better position on that trade and took an additional trade. And then I guess it was, because, okay, sorry about that. I'm seeing that it was all 3 trades were the same currency pair. So the first 2 trades were both at the same time, basically, just in a different position, and they both ended up failing. So that only gave me one more trade opportunity, and that one failed as well. So that was a worst case scenario, but it was also something that looking back I should not have done. So I did change the plan, or wrote that into the plan, so that I'm not allowed to do that in the future. So that dropped my account down quite a bit. It basically moved it back about 4 days. And it took me all of this time here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, after that loss, I should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to get back above my previous all-time high. But I think the best thing to do is to take it slow and not try to revenge trade and, let me get back all my money that I just lost. Instead, just work your way back slowly and carefully, and then at least you're practicing good discipline. You're developing your discipline. That is so key with binary options. It's so easy to place trades and get out of control with this stuff. You really need to be very disciplined, have a very strict plan, and follow it no matter what. So that's where we are right now. I want to take this to 100 trades. Once we've done that, then, as I said, I will try to take a withdrawal and see how that goes, and then we'll just continue forward trading the binary options and increasing the trade amount as the account grows. So let me know if you have any questions about this. As always, go into every single trade with a plan and stick to that plan no matter what. That you can do with binary options. What you can't do is use stop losses and profit targets, but if you trade stocks, definitely use those and always take those. And in the long run, you should be green. Take care.